welcome back. So today we are doing some Christmas stuff. I decided not to do Vlogmas this year because my life is just way too busy. I have so many things with work, and by the time I get home I feel like very exhausted, and I just kind of want to relax and just kind of get ready for the next day. And I mean, that's just work life. So yeah, so if those who work, you guys know what's going on. Yeah, so right now it's a weekend and we decided to make some Christmas cookies. I was like, hey, let me go ahead and vlog this because I really don't have time during the week, and I can quickly just make a video and just put it up, and that's that. So also I'm wearing some Christmas PJs. And these PJs were gifted to me by a brand, and I'm gonna create a vlog on it and kind of let you guys know. They have some amazing Christmas pieces on their website. I kind of chose these ones because they were kind of more Christmassy, and they weren't kind of like think of Spencer's. So like they had like reindeers doing some naughty things on their prints, and I was like, that wasn't my thing, right? And then they also had like some gingerbread men like doing some ninja moves. Like that's cool and all, but that's just like, I kind of like to stick to traditional. So I picked this ones, and yeah, and I got one for my dog. Well, I got him a bandana, so we just took some pictures, and I'm gonna be posting that on my blog. I also kind of want to be doing my blog stuff too because I really miss it, and I just feel like that was a piece of my life that I really did enjoy, and I want to just keep on doing that. So I'm gonna try to, that's my goal for next year, just to kind of be working on my blog and also doing stuff for my channel. And there's so many videos I haven't uploaded, guys, because I've just been too exhausted, like I said, to do any editing. So I'd rather do my other things on my weekends, you know, just like relax, drink some wine, just go sightseeing, just do like things you guys do like on weekends. And yeah, so that is my life right now. But yeah, so let's go ahead and bake some cookies. So we're going to be doing some cookies. We're going to be making some cookies. So we got the frosting already. We got red, green, and white, and we also have some sprinkles, and we also have cookie cutters. So my personal favorite is the gingerbread man. I actually want to make some gingerbread cookies, but I don't think we're going to do that this year. We're just way too busy. But we also have our trusty sugar cookie dough. That's the best dough we use to make these cookies, and so we're gonna, you know, do cookies right now. So I just wanted to show you what we're gonna use. Of course, you need your rolling pin, and yeah, so let's go ahead and bake some cookies. Guys, this kitchen is a mess, but this is how bad we are at vlogging because we totally forgot to videotape rolling it out, cutting the shapes and stuff. So we're just showing you the after fact, and this is the remaining dough we have left because we already made like 2 batches. So like what I was saying is we like literally forgot to show you guys that we were making cookies. So our kitchen counter is a mess, and we have already made a couple batches of cookies. This is how they look, and right now we're decorating them. So let's go ahead and check that out. Blazing, you'll be for us, fall in love